Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P10 Lite, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list. Find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on this edit icon at the bottom, and here let's tap on this kind of profile picture or the camera icon, so simply the circle. And as you can see right here, you can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose the photo from the gallery. And I will pick this option, so let me just tap on it. Let's find the photo we'd like to use, maybe something from those options because they're really pretty. Alright, maybe this one. Simply tap on it and you can decide where you want to crop the picture, so you can use the gallery or Google Photos. It's basically up to you how you want to do it. And as you can see, in this step we can change the size of this photo, we can change the position of it, and basically we can, thanks to this, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and then tap on this tick icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, the photo has been immediately applied, so remember to tap on kind of save, so again the tick icon in the right upper corner, and this is how our contact will look like after applying the photo. You will be also able to see it on the contact list or during the incoming calls from the number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.